Hi.
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 I like fireworks. I record them and I put them on YouTube.
Was I just in that?
Yes. I'm not putting this on YouTube though.
You can. Put me on YouTube. I'm gonna become famous.
Okay.
I'm gonna become famous.
I hope you do. You deserve.
Why?
You deserve more than you get. I don't want you to feel like I don't want you to feel like you're ugly because you're not.
Do you realize I am a depressed person?
I know.
Do you realize I went to the hospital because I cut myself? Do you realize I cut my arm? I slit my stomach open.
I know. I've been punched as well. I've been bullied at school since 7th and 6th grade, so I know.
I've been bullied since 1st grade.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
You know, they can't go out there.
Who's your friend?
All the way down there.
Oh my god. She ran away?
All of them. They're all down there.
Sounds like a cannon going off from here. It's so weird.
You know, if you lose them, I'm blaming you.
If I lose my...
You're responsible of all. Is that the moon? No, wait, that's not the moon. I thought that was the moon.
Where?
Oh jeez.
That yellow
The
spot.
moon's definitely covered up right now.
I swear it sounds like the Blue Jackets cannon going off every single second. Someone on YouTube made fun of me and called me autistic in one of my videos.
Whoever said that can go suck my dick.
I know. I know.
Whoever said I'm...
Yeah. Yeah.
They're really pretty though.
I know, right? It's not that loud for me either.
Where's the
I'll
other...
be inside, Jalen.
You want this? Hey.
Do you want it?
No.
Okay.
I wonder where on earth that is and what. I'm a pyro fan.
Whoever makes fun of Eli can go suck my fucking dick.
Yeah.
Give me the phone real quick.
Okay. Split it in the direction so it's like
Whoever makes fun of that, I will punch you in the dick until all your cum comes out so you don't have a fucking child for the rest of your life. There you go. Love all of you.
Whoever makes fun of you can do that too. Do you have any idea why they're doing this and what it's for?
This is Powell Fest.
Oh, it is?
And they have a big one or maybe even.
So I'm guessing it's like
Where did they go?
the Lakes Country Club,
Where did
kind
they
of.
go?
The shoe went back inside that way.
Which one?
Dip that door.
Where's the other two?
Other two.
Hey, where's Katie? Over there.
Back in there.
Go over there.
Oops, sorry.
Sorry.
You're good.
We lost two of them. No, Katie and Claire.
Guys, this is my first fireworks show of the year. And now I'm having the best day of my life, actually. Finale. Bring on the damn finale.
I got him.
Thank you for doing that, by the way.
You're welcome, and you better post that.
Oh, I will. Sounds like a cannon going off from here. It's so weird. It doesn't even sound like fireworks.
Oh, I
Okay, Jackie, so well. I am more calm. Any idea how long these ones last?
They're pretty good.
Okay.
The finale is always quite the thing.
Oh, jeez. You guys ever been to Red, White, and Boom?
Yes.
Oh,
Not as good as Red, White, and Boom.
that is crazy.
Small town is pretty good.
Yeah. Very small town. Oh, jeez. Getting closer. Guys, are you ready for this gosh dang crap here? Huh? Oh, yes! Oh, yes!
That was bright.
I'm recording this whole gosh dang thing, guys. Okay. I'm recording this. Dang, I didn't realize it was wet. Oh, geez, that's a loud one.
Shake it off.
Oh, yes. Oh, geez.
I'm gonna come over here. Oh wow.
This is
Why are they doing fireworks now?
I don't know.
It's not even July.
I don't know.
It's only like the 23rd.
It is.
Yeah, it's the 23rd. No, I meant put it on pause.
Put it on pause.